top news headlines. Modi announces to repeal 3 contentious farmers' law. Chief Minister bats for integrity and unity for a better society. Manipur logs 57 COVID-19 fresh cases, 3 more deaths in 24 hours. And bomb explosion rocks Kairang Muslim village in Imphal East. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV giving you the latest Friday English Bulletin. I'm ZOTHANPUII, now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to repeal the 3 contentious farmers' law that were enacted on September 17, 2020. The announcement was made just months before election in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, following the internment protests by farmers from across the nation, mainly from Punjab and Haryana, have been ongoing on the borders of the national capital and in different parts of North India. Addressing to the nation, Prime Minister Modi said with a sincere and pure heart that maybe something was lacking in party's dedication, that the government could not explain the truth to some farmer borders. But it is not time to blame anyone. Therefore, the government has decided to repeal the 3 farm laws. He said the process of repealing the 3 laws will complete in the parliament session that will start by end of this month, and requested to all protesting farmers to return home and make a new beginning. 3 years of life-saving treatment under Chief Minister Hakselgi Tengbang CMHT and Ayushman Bharat PMJAY was celebrated today at Sangai Hall in Imphal Hotel. Organized by Sky Hospital, the program was attended by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Chairman of Sky Hospital. In his speech, CM Biren stressed on the importance of integrity and unity in order to bring a better society. He also said money alone cannot treat a patient without a doctor. He asserted that the CMHT has been launched to help public in medical treatment. He also expressed happiness over Sky Hospital's successful role in treatment of as many as 266 heart patients under CMHT and PMJAY. Chairman of Sky Hospital Health Dr. L. Shyam Kishore on the occasion said he returned to Manipur from the UK after 15 years in the hope to set up a full-fledged heart hospital and serve the people. Dr. L. Shyam Kishore expressed gratitude to the Chief Minister and said he will continue to serve the people.
Lak mga scheme free the lying nabi scheme mga Hoggo Pilkna or Kanda Bharat ki Karod, somewhere Kuntraleba, Sibu, Mana, Shigimanum, the eligible to a sect that are the Yokushing Mana, free the Lamanga lying Nabiga, Widiba, Madugi lying Bakana Manipuda, more than 3 lakhs people's hen of Hangamzik, cart pipe with the lack of whom listening to Pumu Yoga, same as the Lak Mani Makai Hera. And the Sumaina Torkanda, Loina Nagadamate. Ana ko khara dugi madeng pang when narak bu kanda haibani hospitalized or kanda was a bamayum makai yolaga laying budo tolop le jab khar do pencil card ro banhan thamgala yeng bodo madu tawdana bu ye di chumna gi system ama yapagi wana du main di doctor singna nurses singna hospital le biri mayam singna to wili bani.
Manipur added 57 COVID-19 fresh cases and 3 more deaths in the last 24 hours. The new cases took the state total tally to 1,24,757, while the death toll reached to 1,959, said the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. The positivity rate was recorded at 3.2%. According to a release from the state COVID-19 Command Control Room, the fresh cases were detected after testing 1,778 samples. It said 20 persons were recuperated from the disease in the last 24 hours. A bomb explosion occurred at Kairang Muslim Mayai Lekai in Imphal East District around 4 a.m. today. However, there was no casualty reports. According to the report, unidentified miscreants triggered the blast at the house of one MD Tolan, a resident of Kairang Muslim Mayai Lekai. The motive behind the incident is yet to be ascertained. Hengang Police Station has registered a case over the blast and investigations are on. A team of Narcotic and Affairs of Border and NAB Manipur arrested a man for possessing suspected heroin at Lilong Bridge along Imphal-More Highway this afternoon. The NAB team was conducting frisking and checking when Jamthong Tuboy, aged 45 years, son of Jangpao Tuboy from Ngamkai Veng under Mulhoy Part 1 in More, Technopol district, was arrested, along with the heroin hidden in 50 soap cases. The incident took place around 11 a.m. According to a police report, one Aadhaar card, one mobile phone, handset and one Bolero bearing registration number MN01S7032 and its registration card were seized from his possession. The drug peddler disclosed that one Helen from Myanmar endorsed him to deliver the seized suspected heroin at Senapati. It was also revealed that the contraband drugs were bought from Myanmar at the behest of Myanmar national to be delivered to a person in Senapati district and then to the other part of the country via Assam. A case has been registered with NAB police station in the regard and further investigation is going on. Now let's have a short break.
Tapta Institute of Fusion Music Taiphumgi Makhada Taptagi Sai Khaktada Yumpam Moiba The Voice of Taiphum Hana Mingthonba Singing Talent Hunt 4.0 Lakliba December gi tang kungamari Sokli Singaniga Kungamathoi Irai Numittagi Pangthokpa Hauzaragani. Episode 9 Sathagadoriba Fusion Music Competition Asigi Winner Amadi First Second Runner Up Singda Pigadaba Kudung Sava Singdi Free Day Say Semba Record Changba Amadi Tapta Musical Concert Ta Rotation 9 Sarugyahanba Asina Singmani Akupa Marol Gitamak 93621099942 Natraga 6009166 Da Pau for you. Organized by Tapta Ven Music and Tapta Fan Club.
PONYTV is available on channel number 988 on MCTV GTPL cable service provider. Now let's move on to the news. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC observed 104th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Indira Gandhi at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today. MPCC President N. Loken Congress Legislator Party CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh, CWC member Gai Ngam and a galaxy of party members paid rich floral tribute to the photograph at first. And to date, only female Prime Minister of India on the sidelines of the event, CLP leader Okram Ibobi Singh stated that Indira Gandhi, also known as the Iron Lady of India, sacrificed her life for India's integrity and unity. He said Indira was one of the greatest leaders of the world.
Bharat Prime Minister Indira Ji Ihan Hanbani की मपा मपू हफ्तगी अहानबा भारत की निंखा तमबा लेबाकी इहान हानबा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओइबिरंबी विरंबा पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू की मसानुपी यामना मतिक चाबा पृथ्वी पुनमोना पृथ्वी की लुसिंग कयाना मासी रिकॉग्नाइज तौरबा अदुगुंबा अखन्नबा सपनायरबा लीडर अमनी मरम मसिना अखोई कांग्रेस कर्मी अखोई खुदिमंगना हौजिक अखोइना अखोइगी मांगदा तारगा अखोइना तौगदबा थबकसी करिनो हाइबबु महांगना पामजरंबा इंदिराजीना पामजरंबा भारत की अपुनब ngaknanaba honaba bharata equality aduga secularism ngaknanaba honaba democracy kannanaba honaba haibasi congress karmi khoi punamaki thawni
Wangkei MLA Y. Irabut today celebrated Ningol Chakoba with women from constituency at his private residence. This was the second time to celebrate Ningol Chakoba by the MLA with women from the constituency. Gifts were presented to around 2,000 women from Ward number 23 after a grand feast during the celebration. On the occasion, MLA Irabut expressed displeasure over depriving people of the constituency of all kinds of benefits entitled to them due to deceitful politics. He urged the electorate to elect him in the upcoming Manipur polls so that he can serve them again. CMHT and PMJY cards were also distributed to the beneficiaries during the program. BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President M. Nimbus, General Secretary P. Premananda and Wangkei Mandal Secretary Ramani were also part of today's event.
Ward number Kungamathoy. Ward number Kunganithoy. Sonakai Wangkei Kono. Hapisata. New Lumberland, the Chimba Zagasi, the Sayo Zagasi, the card Kundataret, Amazon Ward number Kungo Hundo, Zagasi, Messiki, Sikizaga, the young Kay Nipan. And the Ward number Kungataro, Oziki River, Turelwam, Tandorkanda, Kanan Bank, Jomebina, Ragalo Namdulon, Kaitwinam, Duladen, Simarong Mama, Maning Simarong Rome.
The Joint Tribes Student Union JTSU has decided not to endorse Assam proposed 24 hours shutdown in hill districts of Manipur on November 20. The decision is in the larger interest of the public, JSTSA said in a statement to the press today. JTSU is a conglomerate of different student organizations. The All Tribal Students Union's Manipur Assam has called the strike to express displeasure over what it said indifferent attitude shown by Manipur government on the Manipur Hill Area Autonomous District Council Bill 2021 recommended by Hill Areas Committee. Meanwhile, the Kuki Students Organization KSO Tengnopal District has endorsed the 24 hours total shutdown in the hills called by All Tribal Students Union Manipur. Assam over the Hill Areas Committee recommended Manipur Hill Area Autonomous District Council Bill 2021. The KSO Tengnopal called on the people to extend support to the strike on November 20th. A discussion program on the topic Continue Medical Education on Doctor-Patient Relationship was held at RIMS Jubilee Hall to mark the Golden Jubilee of Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS in Fall today. The program was organized by Medical Society RIMS Director Professor A. Santa, Professor Indra Kumar Singh and Professor A. Brindra Sharma joined the program. Dr. Indrajit Agarwal, Dr. Jongulan Haukip and Dr. Purnendo were the speaker of the discussion program. On the sideliners of the program, RIMS Director A. Santa told media that the professional should maintain good communication with every patient. The doctor need to learn more skills to communicate with patients and that the patient should also observe the same, he said.
Doctor ka patient ka relationship hana bagi damakta so ngangi aduna professional oi basing de yam ngangi akoi rom dagi doctor rom gi site gi professionalism yam jaw ga dabani adu ka patient da su akoi communication ke yam loi base kamaina doctor na patient da communicate to ga de skills sisu tambagi so anobo technology animakin se communicate doctor na communicate fasana ta hog da bam amana patient party na su kari situation na jo khang bangam da badu adugin adune maru.
India's ace woman footballer Ainam Bembem was felicitated today at the house of Arjun Kumar Thangjam at Chingmeirong in Imphal. Arjun Kumar is planning to run in the Manipur Post 2022. He appreciated Bembem's roles in bringing forward Indian women football team to the international level. Her dedication and works will promote women footballers and further inspire sportsperson of the state and the country as well. The Durga of Indian football, Ainam Bembem Devi, became the first Indian woman footballer and the 7th overall to receive the prestigious Padma Shri award on November 9th last. Bembem received the award from President Ram Nath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. A total of 240 PMJAY cards were also distributed to the beneficiaries during today's event. Today's top news headlines once again. Chief Minister bats for integrity and unity for a better society. Manipur logs 57 COVID-19 fresh cases, 3 more deaths in 24 hours. And bomb explosion rocks Kairang Muslim village in Imphal East. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Good night, everyone.